Good afternoon.
Hello.
My name is Harshini.
Hi, Harshini. I
Good
think
afternoon.
I chat with you today, right?
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. I remember, right? So good to see you all joining the class.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, it's evening here in Singapore. So
Yeah.
good evening to you all. Yeah,
Thank you.
I think
Evening.
Brenda told me about this class, sir.
yes, correct, Harshini. She told me even like you are interested to learn HTML code. So how to write a
Yeah.
small program. Yes.
Yeah.
Shall we wait for some more time to see who are all joining? Another 2 to 3 minutes, okay? In any
Sure, sir.
case, I suggest you all, suppose because of some reason, if the Zoom class gets disconnected, right? You can reconnect back on the same link using the same link.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I will.
Yeah. So because sometimes there could be network disruptions.
Yeah.
And so many things, and our session is like 40 minutes of session. So 40 minutes of session we may get disconnected. So after 40 minutes I'm going to log in again. So if any of you have any doubts, right, any doubts, or you have any questions, you can join back the call and then you can discuss with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I think many people are joining. Good.
This first is stop keeping banners on your website.
Yes, and I want to ask you all, do you have any program languages in your subjects or in your school as an academic topic, so that I can focus in that direction to make you understand. I'll make Brinda as the host. Okay, this is class 2. Okay, let me see. What about now?
Layout.
Layout, right?
Layout.
Perfect. Yeah, I think this is a good option. Okay, yeah, this is what we learned yesterday. Okay, and what we learned is introduction. So I gave my introduction and what softwares we need. So let me show the slideshow here. You can see the slideshow as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Yeah, software. Now you can see the software needed slide, right?
Notepad++.
Yes, these are the two, either
Notepad.
Notepad or Notepad++. Anything is okay. And you need
Chrome and
browser or Internet Explorer or
Internet
Firefox
Explorer.
or anything, any browser. You need only two things, Notepad or browser. Okay. And
Okay.
we learned about what is browser. So browser is a software program used to run the HTML. Okay. If you write a HTML
Okay.
program, you have to run it using browser. That's what we learned.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
HTML. So what HTML stands for? So HTML is
Hypertext
markup
markup language.
language. Perfect.
Hypertext markup
Markup language. Correct. So next is HTML element. So we learned about, this is the code actually, HTML code. Okay, let me allow.
Sir,
HTML.
yesterday when you gave that thirsty crow
Yes.
HTML code, I did it.
Yes, perfect. You need to learn that. Okay, if you learn that, then that's what HTML is all about. After that, you have to go subsequent classes. Okay, this one you can ignore actually. This is the first line is document type. Okay, I'll go to the previous slide. This is doc type. So it says which browser has to. It is a set of rules for the browser. So for now you can ignore actually. The first line must contain always.
Yes, about the which browser version we are using. Sir, do you even teach for higher sections?
Actually, so far, five plus grades only. So if any of you have those preference, right, you can ping me actually. I'll do that because for 5+ grade, right, I go in a very slow pace, very slowly. Like you need to understand what I'm telling, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
that
sir.
reason, I go very slowly for 5+ grades. for higher classes, right? If any of you have some interest, right, you can ping me separately. I will take up the classes accordingly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
and HTML tags, and then we know the title tags and body tag, right? Body tag is the main content display part. So you need to remember this content display part. Okay, and this is the layout.
Sound పోయింది.
Okay, this one has got many layouts. So you can design your own layouts in HTML. So the first one is a basic one, which contains header, content, and footer. And these are all some complex layouts. So in the subsequent classes, I will teach about how to design the layouts. For now, you just understand what is layout. Okay, layout is a dividing your computer screen into different layers like header layer, footer layer, and main content layer. Okay, you just remember that for now. And we learned about web page. Web page is like an electronic document written in HTML. So you write the HTML page, right? So that HTML page, we call it as web page. And when you deploy it on the server and you have access from internet, right? Anushri, yes, please.
Sir, I'm of Inter first year, sir.
Okay, Inter first year, right? So, okay, you want to learn HTML also?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you are interested, you can start here actually. I will give you
Yes,
reference.
sir, I'm also Inter first year.
Yeah, it's okay. Better.
I also want to learn.
Yeah, I'm okay to teach anyone actually. Like I just need the students who are with passion and interest. If you don't have passion, if you don't have interest, whatever content I say, it will not get into your brains. First thing is
Yes, sir.
you must have interest. Okay.
Actually, I had learned the basics of HTML.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Even I to know the basics.
Okay. Anyways, I'm recording the sessions as well. So you see, like, what is, if it is, taking, I'm going in a slow pace, right? You can change your,
Yes, sir.
connect. Maybe you can
Yes, sir.
go the online links. I'll share you, you attend this class today. You see, like, what
Okay.
all the links I provide. So you just go through those links.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
And I explained the website
Okay.
actually. Website is also like collection of HTML documents. And then this is some W3 schools link which I shared yesterday, and these are my contact details. Okay, and
Okay, sir.
the second class, what I did is like designing a HTML page. This is the next meeting.
Yes, sir. We know this. I know this.
Yeah, the first slide I will close it, and we will start with second slide. So this is our lesson 2, class 2. Okay. Now before this, right, I want everyone to register yourself so that I can send some documents or any information to all of you. Okay, I want you to register in the link that I provided earlier. Okay.
You got my mother's phone number. You can send it in that.
Yes, sure. Yeah. So for those who are new and then who hasn't registered, right, for them I'm telling this. Okay. Yes, let's start with the second class today. So today we just I'll give you the agenda of today. The first, okay, yesterday we did lesson 1, right? I'm going to ask you a few questions so that to understand better, like whether you are following what I'm saying or not. Okay. And next is I'll teach you about what is HTML elements, and I'll teach about HTML attributes as well. And I'll design one small page so that you can play by designing your own web page on Saturday and Sunday. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'll not take up the classes. So we'll connect back on Monday again. Okay, Monday same time. Yes, Pranav. Okay. Yeah, and then you understood, right? Tomorrow is Saturday, day after tomorrow is Sunday. I will not be connecting to Zoom classes. So we will connect back on Monday, the same time, evening 5 o'clock India time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let's start the slideshow. Okay. I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. I want to understand whether you understand the lesson which I taught you yesterday. The HTML file should start with dash and end with dash.
Doc type HTML and end with /HTML.
Perfect. Perfect. Who is that?
I'm Sai Ganesh. I'm
Sai
in
Ganesh.
inter
Right?
first year.
Oh yeah, yeah. Good. So any other student? Okay. The second question. The second question is the title of the HTML page is coded with which tag?
Uh,
How do you code the title of the HTML page?
Lesser than symbol.
Yeah, what is the tag name? Okay, pass. The tag name is title tag. The title tag is present within the head tag, right? So that is where you have to give the title. So I will show you.
Sir, mute all, sir.
Okay.
Sir, they are creating a disturbance, sir.
Yeah, I have muted most of them. Yeah. Okay, you see this is the title tag. Can you see this? You see, right? I think somebody is somebody's talking.
Most of them are unmuting this.
Yeah, I suggest everyone to please mute, otherwise it's disturbing for others. Okay, this is the title tag. So the title is the name of the HTML page. Okay, and the next question, the HTML page is copied to web server, and when you access that HTML page through a browser, what is that called? It is a web page. You are going to access web pages through the browser. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
now let's go to the next question. Dash is an editor used for writing HTML programs.
Notepad plus plus.
Notepad.
Perfect. 100 marks to all of you.
Code
Yes,
blocks
answered.
also.
Yeah, any text pad is okay. Okay, Dash is a software used for running HTML program. So how do you run this HTML programs?
In Notepad plus plus, we have the run option also.
Yes, but when you run, when you use run option, it runs on the browser. So browser, any browser, it can be Internet Explorer, it can be Chrome or any browser. So the answer is browser for this. And what does HTML stands for?
Hypertext markup language.
Again, 100 marks those who answered. And next question, dash and dash are used for HTML file extension.
.htm and .html.
Perfect. And again 10 marks, 10 out of 10 marks there for those who answered. And next one is, next question, name few tags that you learned yesterday.
HTML tag, title tag,
HTML slash
body
HTML.
tag.
Correct. Perfect. Yeah. We'll go to the next slide now. Okay. The next slide, here we are going to learn two new tags. One is header tag and one is paragraph tag. Okay. What is a HTML? HTML element. So HTML element is nothing but any tag that you write in HTML page is called an HTML element. Like it will be having the start symbol, start tag, and it will have the end tag, and these two must be in covering the content. Yes. An example, can you see the example down? The title is there, right? That the first title tag is a start tag, and the last title tag, which is ended with /, it is an end tag, and in between these two tags we have the content. So this content is called as all three together called as HTML element. This is title HTML element. which contains 3 parts. Similarly, we are going to learn 2 new things here again today, H1 and P. H1 is heading 1. Heading 1 is the bigger text, the text which appears as a big heading, and that is called header text. Yeah, the same, this tag also have start tag and end tag and the content in between. Okay, the content can be anything, you can write any text in between. Oh, I think Revati is requesting remote control of your screen. Okay, next thing is paragraph. So paragraph is like, you can provide your story, so you can write all the story within this paragraph tags. So the paragraph tag is also an HTML element which starts with P, less than symbol, greater than symbol, and then ends with /P. So this is an ending tag. So this is HTML elements. So what are all the new tags that you learned today?
Heading tag and paragraph tag.
Yes,
Title tag.
later I'll show you how to run the how we can do this one, okay, as a program.
Okay, sir.
The next thing is HTML attributes. HTML attributes is like, we have the tags here, you see. Yeah, in this topic we are going to learn one more new tag, that is image tag, img. We specify it as img. Okay, yeah, image tag will have, can you see? Okay, what we say the attributes is like, in the tag you see src here. Src is equal to, so src is called as an attribute of image element, and alt is one of the attribute for image element. I will show you how it actually works. Okay, so for this topic you just remember attributes are specified in HTML elements. So we have the starting and ending tag, right? So we write attributes only in the start tag, that is the second point. And the attribute is mentioned as name is equal to, within double quotes, value. Something like in the example, you see src is equal to image path, and if you see alt also, it says tooltip attribute. So I'll show you, give a real example of this. Okay, yes, now this comes the next part. I'll show you the page design now once this is complete.
What did you hide everyone's camps?
Pardon?
Curious.
Can repeat again? Okay, yeah. So that's the next thing is like, I'm going to share you some details, like, what is this link. So let me copy this whole link and open a browser. You can see the browser, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and the link, you can type W3 schools here. Okay, you can type W3 schools or anything, and you go to type tutorials here, learn HTML. You click on this HTML, all the things will be given in the left side section. And here one more good thing about this is you can learn on your own, actually, like, they give try it yourself. So you can write your own code here. See, I told you about heading tag, right? Heading and paragraph tag. So you specify here, it looks like this here in the right side section.
W3 schools.
So Thirsty Crow is the heading, and then here you can mention as they lived a crow and is very thirsty. It was finding for water and there is no water. So this is the story. I just want to, you can write in so many things in between paragraph tags, and you click on the run, you can see how it looks like on the browser. Okay, this is how it looks. I'll copy the same content And let me show you practically how you can do it using in your local Notepad++. Okay. Yeah. This is the empty Notepad++. I have taken the new file and I just pasted the content. And you see, I'm going to teach you indentation here. You know what is indentation? Indentation is like the HTML and the ending tag should be in the first column. And if you see the header part, the remaining part within the HTML, right, should be little bit moving right side, like a tree structure. And title is within the header tag, right? Within the header tag. So you just give one more tab space so that it moves right side. And then in the body also, you just click one more, give some space. It looks you give some space here. And these two tags are within the body. So whatever you write within the body is displayed on the browser. You got it? So this is just the title. Okay, there is a notification within 10 minutes. If it gets disconnected, right, I'm going to log in again. If you have any doubts, you can log in back again, okay? And
Okay, sir.
yeah, here. Okay.
Yeah, you are in class.
Okay, right. So now I'm going to save this file, okay? I want to share it somewhere in lesson 2, okay? Lesson 2, let me save the file as class2.html or htm. So just enclose it within double quotes so that it will not take this file extensions, okay? If you
I have a doubt.
yes. Yes, please. Who is that?
For example, like there are numbers at the left side at the corner, like
Okay.
those numbers over there.
Where you're talking? Oh, okay, this side, this part, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I want to add another column for it.
No, here you cannot add columns actually. So columns are found here, you see, in the bottom section. There is no column actually. It's just, you know, this is like a text pad. Okay.
So
Okay.
This is like a text pad only. So you can write any content like a
class, I will try this.
yes, you have to try this. And here I'm going to open this file in a browser. Right click, open with or Chrome browser. Okay. Say it again. Can anybody say how to run this?
Right click,
Right click.
Right click.
Yes.
open with
Open with.
and Chrome or
Google
Internet
Chrome.
Explorer.
Yes, we'll use the Chrome. And then you see here.
Browser.
Yes.
Any
You see the page title appears here. Whatever you write in the title tag, right?
yeah.
So whatever you what you yeah. Let's make the same. Let's make the same for the page title. Okay. Title Thirsty Crow, and page title should be replaced with here this part. Thirsty Crow now. You can see, right?
Thirsty Crow story.
Yes. Okay.
Page title 30.
Thirsty Crow story. Replace it, it becomes Thirsty Crow story. Okay. And you practice this tomorrow. Okay. You practice this one, and I'm going to show you one interesting thing now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to IMG tag. I'm going to give image source, I'm going to give alt, and here,
Can this be like our homework?
yeah, you can practice it actually. I want you all to practice it. Once you practice, you'll come to understand what is heading tag, what is paragraph tag, what is image tag. You can try with, like, give some, try some other things that you learned online also. You can try many things. So I'm going to show you here image tag. This is, yeah, this is how you can close the image actually, like this.
Can we put like images like pictures?
Yes, I'll show you. I'm going to show you. Let me open google.com. Okay, tell me some interesting image.
Not crow.
Yeah, crow, right? Okay, let's thirsty crow. And then let's go to the image. Go here, right click, save image as. I'm going to save this image in the lesson 2. Crow.jpg, okay?
So I can also save this.
Yes, correct. You have to
save
save,
my-
you have to save in the same place where this file is located, okay? I gave, yeah, you see, I'll close this one now. I'll open this lesson.
How?
Okay, this is the HTML page, and there should be a crow.jpg file along with the HTML file. Okay,
Yes.
for now you try this one only, and you know this code, right? So the magic should happen now. The image on hover of the crow. Okay. Say chum 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 abracadabra. See what?
Wow.
Yes, thirsty crow. And then you can see this is the page design, right? You got to know.
Yeah.
You get
It's
the
so
image.
nice.
Yes.
So this is the magic, okay?
Wow.
And I think it's still 4 minutes there. So if it gets disconnect, right, you can connect back, okay, to understand more. And I'm going to.
Sir, actually, I had created a website.
Okay.
I mean, HTML page.
Okay.
Sir, can I WhatsApp you that page
Yeah,
to learn better?
Yeah. Please, you can share me. You can share me as a text file or the content. I can use it actually. I can use it, and I can.
What's your number, sir? WhatsApp.
Can you note down here? This is my WhatsApp number and email ID. Can you see the screen?
9007.
8563.
Okay.
Yeah, +65 is my country code, Singapore country code, and this is the 8-digit number. Okay. And one more interesting thing. So
Yes, sir.
you will all be appearing on YouTube. You want to see how you're all going to look like? Yes, this is the link. Can you see the link here? This is the link I'm copying, and I want you all to subscribe to this channel so that you will be getting updates with the classes that are happening every day. Whatever I'm teaching, I'm putting it online. So if you miss the class also, you can go to this link and then learn from here. See, this is the class that happened yesterday. And
Yesterday's class.
yes, our channel name is Code School. Code School. Okay.
It's cool. Okay.
You can try
Okay.
something like this. Okay, let me try. So the YouTube. For now, either you can try something like Yum Learn. You can try this, or just Code School without spaces. So here actually, we just started, right? So it will be somewhere in the bottom. Yeah, here you can see. You see here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. You have to go to this YouTube channel and you all must subscribe. Okay, if you subscribe, then you'll get the updates. See, I'm actually uploading based on the lessons. Actually, yesterday one I made it as lesson 1. Today's lesson I'm going to put it as lesson 2. Okay, and yeah, so this is all about HTML. Today we learned 3 new things today, 3 new tags, and HTML elements and HTML attributes.
Sir, can we do this in Notepad also?
Yes. Yeah, I think we have only 1 minute now. You can connect back again. Okay, I'll be logging back in again after 1 minute.
Excuse me, sir. Can you tell your channel's name again?
Okay, you take this way. Go to YouTube and then search with hash code school hash and then code school.
Okay, sir.
Hash and then code school. Our this is a new channel, right? So our channel will be appearing in the bottom of the page. You see bottom of the page where it is. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
tomorrow and Sunday,
This
do
part.
we have coding class?
You see, this is the one. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I said I'll not be taking up because it would be disturbing for you guys also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Sir.
just Hello, Ganesh.
Sir.
Hi, Ganesh. You were telling something, right? I missed out that part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you send me the WhatsApp.
Sir, but
okay?
sir, I'm not able to send that photo, sir. I'm not getting your number in WhatsApp.
Okay. Yeah, you can see me somewhere.
Join.
Okay, you pass me your. Okay, I will note it down 1 second. Yeah, I think I have your details here.
I had filled that.
Yeah, you have registered already, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you give your number here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, +6. You type like +65 and then 90078563.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. +65 and then 90078563. So you give the whole number like this. And my name is Gopala Krishna. And the system architect, Singapore. You're getting the chat messages, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, and I'll give my contact details also. GK Munif, okay, 511@gmail.com is my email ID, and I'll give the links as well, right? Yeah, you need not worry about the channel name, searching for my channel and all. So this is channel name. Everybody got the messages, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, these are all the messages. You can use this link actually for finding the channel on the YouTube. Okay, and Yeah, you can send me here, Sai, in the chat.
Okay.
I'll see if I can use it. Yeah, or else you can send to my email also.
Okay. I will send it to your mail, sir.
Mail, yeah, mail is
I
better.
have-
Yeah, mail is better. Okay, and next class, like on Monday, we will learn about the table tags. Okay, how the table tags looks like. So here, this is our table. Okay, this part is our table. Okay, and this table, how we are going to do is each line is called a row. This is row 1. The second line is a row 2. The third line is row 3, and fourth line is row 4. Okay, and we say the columns. We say all these, vertical lines are columns. Column 1, this is column 1, this is column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay, and I will explain you in on Monday in a better way. So this is just for your understanding. Like, we divide the screen in rows and column ways. Then it will be easy for us to divide the screen, and then we learn. So what are all the tags available in the table tags? I will explain that part also on Monday. So for today, based on today's, right, you need to practice this part. What are the things you're going to practice? You have to practice HTML elements. What are the HTML elements? So anything that you write in HTML page is called a HTML element. Like H1 is also an HTML element. E is also an element. And next, attributes. Attributes is the one that you write in the start tag. This is a start tag, right? This is a start tag, and this is a end tag. Okay, the start tag will have the attributes. SRC is one attribute, ALT is one attribute for the image HTML element. Okay, I will explain you one more magic now, which we did the program just now, right? You all can see my screen, right? The Notepad++. Okay, now, where is the page? Okay, where is the HTML page? Yes, here we go. Okay, this is the, yeah, now if you see, I need to scroll up and down, right? I don't want to scroll up and down. So I want to reduce the image size. This image is so big for me, so I don't want this much big. What I do is I'll go here. I will use attributes, HTML attributes, to specify the height and width of the image. So this is the width and this is height. Okay, now within this height and width, I will specify 200 here, and height, I want it to be same, 200 and 200. I will save the file. Now, shall I do the magic again? 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Let's see who is waiting. Tanish is waiting. Yeah, let him also see the magic. Right, magic is so interesting, right? So HTML is all magic, all colors. You have to play with the colors, then you'll understand better. So let's do the magic. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Okay.
Became so small.
Yeah, the image becomes so small, and you can play
400?
around. Yes.
400 maybe.
Yes, 400 and 400. So I'm going to save it, refresh, and then do the magic.
Reload.
Abracadabra. Boom. See?
Yes.
The image you can, image can be become big and small. And next thing, okay, next, okay, yes. You can, if you don't have any content, right? You can end the tag like this in the greater than symbol. We just put / in the end. This is also one of the representation if you don't have content like this. Like I'll give an example. Okay, I'll do some magic here again. Who? Yes. So here I'll repeat this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So big actually, you know. I go here, save it, go here, do the magic, abracadabra, boom. See, you can see so big text, right? And you don't want everything, you know, in the same as a paragraph. This is a paragraph, right?
Can
Within a
we-
paragraph. So I want to break it into few lines. So what is that? What is the magic there? Here you can learn one more new thing called, 1 second. Okay, here I'm going to show you. Okay, here I'm going to show you some new tag in between this one. This is break. BR is the break, and there is no content for BR. So if there is no content, we just put / in the end. Just copy this and then place it.
Save.
Yes.
Save.
I'm going to replace for all the dots. Home dot space. I'm going to replace all the dots. So this is the easiest way. So I do this, replace all, boom. I'm closing this.
So Notepad ++ is also like Microsoft.
No, Microsoft is a company name. Notepad++ is like
No,
Notepad. So you go here, start, and OTEPAD. Notepad. You type in the start menu, search for Notepad. You'll see this Notepad, right? So here you can type anything.
yes.
The disadvantage of this is you don't get many features here. See, find and replace, you can replace with find and replace one by one. Whereas in Notepad++, it is an advanced version where you can see the color codings. You see, you can see all the things in a different colors, right? This is in blue, this is in black, the attributes are in red color, and you know, doc type is in black color. So there are plugins for this Notepad++, which makes everything pretty and beautiful. Okay, now I replaced all the dots with break tag. So what it happens is, whenever it sees PR, it places the next line, the content in the next line. So let's see the magic again here. Boom. See? Can you see that? You understood, right?
Yes.
Yes. See, wherever you see BR tag, it goes in the next line. You see, it went in the next line and everything prints here. You scroll down, blah, 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 and then you see the image here. So I want you all to practice this one tomorrow and day after tomorrow based on your time. And we will see it on Monday with new tags related to table. So all the table tags we learn, and then that's where we learn the layouts as well. Okay. And I request you all to subscribe to the channel. Okay, this is my content, and this channel will give you all the classes that you have learned. Okay, whatever classes you are attending, you will be you know, you can see all those classes online, and whenever you want to revise back and see the content, you can revise back. Got it? I send the messages in the chat, right? Oh, sorry. Yeah, here you can see the link. You all copied the link, right? Can you all copy this link, please?
Now,
Yeah, you copy
How?
this link. You copy this link on your. Oh, you are watching on the phone or
How?
you are watching on the phone? Okay, I will send you in an email. Okay, or you can go to the browser and search for YouTube here. Once you search YouTube, you go find hash and then code school.
Can you
Hash.
put it in the chat?
Yeah, I added it. Okay, I'll put it again. Yeah. So once you put code school, you can find it in the bottom of the page. Yeah, this is the one agenda, and then you can see this screen, right? See this one. 40 minutes. So this is the video. You can just click on it and then go through this video again. So what
Yes.
previous this class I will be uploading here, okay? And today's one
Okay.
I'll do it after some time. Okay, that's it for today. And any doubts, you can post me on the email, or I'll try to create WhatsApp group so we all can be communicated. And I want all of you, to be in contact. Actually, you all have to communicate with others. Make friends. Okay, you have to make friends. Then you can share the things across. So if you have any doubts, others will solve. Or if others have doubts, you can solve. That's how we.
Sir, I am Sai Ganesh.
Yes, hi Ganesh.
Sir, I had WhatsApp you that, sir, that codes and
Okay.
websites.
Okay, sure, yeah. I will respond to you on this, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, in some time. I'll just go through, attend other things, and then I'll reply to you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure. Thank you all, and then you just be happy. Make the coding as a passion. Okay, don't learn by force. You should love it. When you love it, you like it more, and then you learn it fast. Okay, we'll see you on Monday, the same time, the same way. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, will it be the same in Notepad?
Yes, you can do. I will share you. Okay, you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section also, or send an email to me, either GK Mone or RK Mone 511. Anything is okay. So you send me an email or you send me a WhatsApp. I will send you the steps. If you want this
in middle of code and school, should we keep space?
where Brinda?
Near in between of the code and school.
No space in between. Just hash code school. There
But
is
I tried now, I did not get.
Okay, I will show you after some time. I'll show you later, okay? Like, okay, let me show you. Otherwise, you okay, I'm opening it again. Can you see here? youtube.com. Open youtube.com. Go here in the search bar and then type hash. CODESCHOOL. Can you see, Brinda? Yes, code school, and then just go down. You can see it here. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you all. So I'll see you on Monday again. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.